Like we said yesterday, not to worry guys, Ripple CEO confirms SVB exposure as FDIC affirms it would cover all deposits. The recent slew of whale transactions has raised questions, especially considering the situations with Silvergate and Silicon Valley Bank. What impact will this have to the XRP investors? Finally, the crypto community has set the XRP price for March 31st with over 90% accuracy. The big question remains this: will the community's optimistic predictions come true? Stick with me guys till the end to learn more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on tomorrow. Over the weekend, the blockchain payments based in Silicon Valley faced questions over whether it had exposure to the collapsed bank. Without going into details, Ripple Chief Executive Officer Brad Garlinghouse has confirmed that the firm has money tied up in the failed Silicon Valley Bank. The Ripple chief disclosed this in a three-part Twitter thread. Setting the record straight on SVBQS, Ripple had some exposure to SVB. However, he assured the public and customers that this exposure was not significant enough to disrupt company operations. According to Garlinghouse, the firm had a diversified network of banking partners where it held cash reserves. Ripple remains in a strong financial position, Garlinghouse surmised, despite the uncertainty surrounding SVB customer deposits at the time. Notably, the Ripple chief pointed out that the SVB collapse highlighted the weaknesses of the traditional financial system. Namely, rumors can spark bank runs that lead to collapse, banks cannot process wire transfers around the clock, and money movement remains difficult. Over the weekend, the blockchain payments company based in Silicon Valley faced questions over whether it had exposure to the collapsed bank. As reported, Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz had disclosed that the firm would issue an official statement. Meanwhile, on the heels of Ripple's disclosure, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation has disclosed that it would cover all SVB deposits regardless of whether or not they are insured. According to a recent Bloomberg report, depositors would have access to all their money from Monday, March 13th. The FDIC can do this through a systemic risk exception rule that allows the Fed to make direct loans. Initially, the FDIC planned to make insured depositors whole while issuing advanced dividends to uninsured depositors. But as highlighted in a previous report, over 93% of SVB customers were uninsured. Due to this and the difficulty in getting a buyer within the weekend due to the short timing for due diligence, regulators opted to backstop deposits to prevent a potential spillover effect and the collapse of several American tech startups that banked with SVB. As highlighted in previous reports, SVB experienced a bank run last week that forced regulators to step in on Friday. The bank run started after it disclosed plans to sell significant shares to raise capital after taking losses on previously held securities due to Fed rate hikes. With the bulk of customer deposits placed in long-term securities, it lacked the liquidity to meet the onslaught of withdrawal requests. While the FDIC processes withdrawals, it will likely start another auction within the week to continue searching for buyers. As reported, Elon Musk had indicated an interest in acquiring the collapsed bank. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Before I continue, I want to tell you something about DexPool. It's a self-composed liquidity provider, known as a market maker. It's like someone lending their crypto assets to a platform to help with the decentralization of cryptocurrency trading. In return, you receive rewards with fees generated by trades on that platform, something many consider a form of passive income, and you can get it if you use DexPool. Automatic compounding refers to a blockchain asset management protocol, which uses optimization techniques and data analytics to automatically combine rewards and achieve the highest possible compound interest rate. These protocols reinvest in LP users' returns, or participation, usually one or more per day, to maximize APY. It is important to clarify that anyone can add liquidity to decentralized platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. through DexPool. In addition, the benefits of this type of long-term investments are numerous. First, because you are getting rewards while your cryptocurrencies remains in staking. Then, because decentralized platforms being based on blockchains coordinate cryptoasset trading on a large scale and among many users and do it entirely through automated algorithms. Dexpool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim as long as you use the link provided in the video description. This bonus consists in getting up to 100 XRP. It is a 10 days liquidity bonus. The offer is limited. When you make a deposit, you will receive this bonus. Ripple and XRP whale addresses recently moved nearly 1 billion XRP tokens in less than 2 hours, triggering questions among investors. Data suggests that up to 916.3 million XRP was shuffled in 8 transactions, with Ripple accounting for 200 million tokens. The latest cluster of whale transactions began with Ripple's transfer, as highlighted by Whale Alert. The Silicon Valley company transferred 200 million XRP, $72.7 million, to an unknown address. The receiving address was activated by Ripple, indicating an affiliation with the firm. The funds moved may be part of 1 billion XRP tokens released from escrow this month. Ripple sent 300 million XRP to an affiliated address on March 1st, shortly after unlocking the tokens from escrow. From the 300 million XRP tokens received, this address transferred 100 million tokens to an unknown address on March 6th, as previously highlighted by the Crypto Basic. The latest movement saw the address transfer the remaining 200 million tokens to the same unknown address from the March 6th transaction. These tokens are expected to be moved to exchanges to cater to liquidity. An analysis of the movement of the funds revealed that they were eventually routed through different addresses to Bitso and Bitstamp. Shortly after the Ripple transaction, 2 unknown whale addresses shuffled a whopping 245.5 million XRP, $88.9 million, on the same day. It bears mentioning that, though the sending wallet remains unidentified, data suggests that it was activated by an official Ripple address. The recipient wallet then transferred the received funds and other assets to another unknown wallet 2 minutes later. This transaction amounted to 278.5 million XRP, $100.8 million. Whale Alert further highlighted another transaction involving an internal transfer between 2 Bitso accounts. The addresses shuffled 31.3 million XRP, $11.3 million. The rest of the movements involved a single Bittrex affiliated address which transferred 161 million XRP to several Bitstamp accounts in 4 transactions. The first transaction involved 44 million XRP, while the second saw the transfer of 51 million XRP. The address also sent out 33 million XRP on 2 separate occasions. Recall that Ripple CEO confirmed Silver Valley Bank exposure, while FDIC affirms it would cover all deposits. Furthermore, XRPL's self-custody wallet, XUMM, has received new updates with the release of version 2.4.0. The release, which has been in development for months, is packed with significant changes that enhance security and make transactions more convenient. More big news is that pathfinding payments are now available in XUMM. This allows users to pay with any token available on XRP Ledger, and the beneficiary receives the exact currency they requested. Now, to our big question of the day: will the accurate historical prediction of the optimistic crypto community concerning the XRP price for March 31st come true? XRP's trading volume suddenly jumped 112%, according to CoinMarketCap data. The jump in trading volume was not accompanied by a significant price increase, which leads to speculation as to the reason for the sudden rise in volume. After Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse revealed his company's exposure to the now-collapsed Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, the XRP token responded with a slight decline on its daily chart, but the cryptocurrency community is still bullish on the digital asset. Indeed, according to the 1,115 community votes cast by the members of the crypto tracking platform CoinMarketCap by press time, XRP is set to reach an estimated average price of 41 cents by March 31st, an increase of 13.6% to the token's price currently, as per data retrieved on March 13th. In terms of XRP's technical analysis on the one-day gauges over at the finance monitoring website TradingView, it is bearish. Its summary aligns with the strong sell sentiment at 16, which is the result of moving averages pointing at strong sell at 14 and oscillators in the neutral area at 8. Meanwhile, the token is currently changing hands at the price of 38 cents, up 3% on the day, as well as losing 4% over the previous week and 5.7% across the past 30 days, according to the latest data retrieved by Finbold on March 15th. Whether the community's optimistic predictions come true will depend on various factors surrounding its ecosystem, such as the outcome of the legal battle between the blockchain company Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, as well as the wider crypto and macroeconomic landscape. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.